That's correct. 330 Kelvin. 330 Kelvin is right. 2 points to St. Francis Senior Secondary School. Fanta Strawberry. Fanta Fruit Cocktail, Kotu. The mechanism by which useful material in the glomerular filtrate are taken back into the blood is referred to as the mechanism by which useful materials in the glomerular filtrate are taken back into the blood is known as
ultrafiltration.
No.
Selective reabsorption.
Yeah, reabsorption is right. 2 points. It's referred to as reabsorption. That's correct. 2 points to Kotu. St. Francis, Fanta Strawberry. The increase in width of blood vessels in the mammalian skin at high temperature is known as the increase in width of blood vessels in the mammalian skin at high temperature is referred to as
vasodilation.
That's correct. Vasodilation is correct. Vasodilation is right. Vasodilation is right. 2 points to St. Francis. Now, before we end up with round 2, let's visit the Gambega section now. And this one goes to Kotu, Fanta Fruit Cocktail. How many letters does the Fanta Black Currant have? How many letters does the Fanta Black Currant have?
17.
Correct, 2 points. St. Francis, which of the Fanta flavors have the highest number of letters? Which of the Fanta flavors have the highest number of letters?
Fanta Fruit Cocktail.
That's correct, 2 points. 2 points to St. Francis, and that has taken us to end of round 2. We now allow Madam Carr to compute the scores before we proceed to round 3, which is the second to last stage of the competition.
End of round 2, Kotu Senior Secondary School scored 10 points, and St. Francis Senior Secondary School scored 10 points as well. That brings their cumulative totals to 12 points for Kotu Senior Secondary School and 17 points for St. Francis Senior Secondary School.
Thank you very much, Madam Carr. And now we proceed to round 3. This question goes to St. Francis, right? St. Francis, Fanta Strawberry. If 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equal to 8 raised to the power x minus 1, find the value of x. If 2 raised to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 8 raised to the power x minus 1, find the value of x.
X equals to 4.
Correct. 2 points to St. Francis Senior Secondary School. X is 4. Fanta Strawberry. Fanta Fruit Cocktail. Go to Senior Secondary School. Solve the equation log 3x plus 1 base 10 minus log x minus 2 base 10 equals to 1. Log 3x plus 1 all in bracket base 10 minus log x minus 2 in bracket, that is x minus 2 is supposed to be in bracket, base 10 equal to 1.
X is equal to 3.
Yeah, that's right. 2 points to Kotu Senior Secondary School. X is 3. Now, St. Francis. This is a physics question. A body of mass 5 kg moving with a speed of 30 meters per second is suddenly hit by another body moving in the same direction thereby changing the speed of the former body to 60 meters per second. What is the impulse received by the first body? What is the impulse received by the first body? A body of mass 5 kg moving with a speed of 30 meters per second is suddenly hit by another body moving in the same direction, thereby changing the speed of the former body to 60 meters per second. What is the impulse received by the first body?
Three.
No, that's not right. Go to get prepared for your chance. Go to
150 Newton.
Newton seconds. That's correct. 1 point. 150 Newton seconds. That is the impulse. All right. Kotu, this is your question. A body of mass 5 kg is to be given an acceleration of 20 meters per second square. Calculate the force required when the acceleration is vertically upwards. Take g equals to 10 meters per second square. A body of mass 5 kg is to be given an acceleration of 20 meters per second square. Calculate the force required when the acceleration is vertically upwards. Take g equals to 10 meters per second square.
$90.
No, you miss it. Not 90.
1,000.
Not 1,000 Newton at all. Yes, San Francis?
100.
No. Floor? All right. No answer. The right answer is 150 Newton. All right, we move on. This goes to San Francis. Given that 32 grams sulfur contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms, how many atoms are there in 2.70 grams of aluminium? Given that 32.0 grams sulfur contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms, how many atoms are there in 2.70 grams of aluminium? Take Al equal to 27 and S equal to 32. The molar mass of aluminium is 27, whilst that of sulfur is 32. Yes, take the mic, yes.
6.02 times 10 to the power 22.
Correct. 2 points to St. Francis Senior Secondary School, 6.02 times 10 to the power 22. Now, we move to Fanta fruit cocktail, Kotu. If 1 cubic decimeter of gas X diffuses through a porous plug in 60 seconds, while the same volume of hydrogen diffuses in 15 seconds, under the same condition, calculate the relative molecular mass of X. I repeat, if 1 cubic decimeter of gas X diffuses through a porous plug in 60 seconds, while the same volume of hydrogen diffuses in 15 seconds